Lower back pain is a huge problem in modern life. The media is full of scary statistics such as the $100 billion annual cost of back pain in the USA, and all of us either experience back pain or know someone that does. The Alexander technique is incredibly effective at preventing and relieving back and sciatic pain, and I'm going to share some ideas here which you can put into use straight away. I'm Pete Robinson from movementandposture.com. I'm a qualified Alexander technique teacher, and my goal is to share the benefits that Alexander technique can bring to your posture, movement, health and performance. I'll be adding new videos every Sunday, so subscribe to the channel, ding the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. In this video, I'm going to explain some of the issues that commonly cause back and sciatic pain. You'll see how it's often our own actions that are causing the pain and preventing ourselves from recovering. I'm going to show you how you can start to break some of the habits that are causing the problems and how making some simple changes can bring rapid relief to any pain you may be experiencing already. Stick around to the end of the video where I'll show you how to use the Alexander technique to improve the type of stretches that people are often prescribed for these conditions. Although Alexander technique's effectiveness in dealing with back pain has been proven in clinical trials and many doctors refer people for lessons, you must of course consult with your doctor if you're concerned about back pain, so that they can rule out more serious structural problems, injuries and conditions. Most back pain is what the medical profession call non-specific. This means that there is no obvious injury or medical condition causing the pain. In these cases, the pain is usually associated with poor posture and excessive tension. Luckily, poor posture and excessive tension is exactly what the Alexander technique is great at dealing with. The symptoms that people experience range from dull, niggling aches through to absolutely debilitating pain. Many people also experience shooting nerve pain in one or both legs, which is known as sciatic pain. Sciatic pain follows the path of the sciatic nerve from the back through the buttocks, down the back of the leg and into the foot. It's the longest nerve in the body, so when it's painful, it's really hard to ignore. This pain also ranges in severity from a bit uncomfortable to excruciating. Firstly, if you are experiencing back or sciatic pain now, you have my sympathy and understanding, as in the past I was plagued by both of these and I can understand the effect that they have on your life. So what is the cause of the pain? It's usually related to two connected things, balance and tension. If our bodies are well balanced, our muscles have appropriate levels of tension and our joints are aligned in a way that promotes free movement. If our bodies are out of balance, muscles develop excessive tension and joints are aligned in a way that causes compression. If a body is tending to be tense and compressed, muscles can become exhausted and painful, blood flow can be restricted, and nerves can be compressed, causing pain. Because our body parts are so interconnected, often the pain in the back may originate from a completely different part of the body being out of balance. For example, if we habitually stick our head and neck forwards when sitting, our head is out of balance and not supported by the spine. This then causes our neck, shoulder and upper back muscles to tense more, which in turn can make the lower back and hips tighter, and the pelvis can be pulled into a backward tilt. This then places a lot of pressure on our spinal discs and on the nerves, and back pain can be a result. Of course, if we try to sort out the problem by focusing in on the area that hurts, we'll be unable to get anywhere as the root cause is somewhere else. Therefore, it doesn't really make sense to do exercises to strengthen the back or have treatment on that area until the general balance is improved. So, how do we improve our general balance? The Alexander technique approach is based on changing our priority to improving awareness of ourselves and sticking to the simple decision to be in balance and to not compress ourselves when we move. It's great if you get the chance to work one-on-one with an Alexander technique teacher to learn these practical skills, but you definitely can also learn them independently. To help people develop in this way, I'm making videos each week, and I recommend that you use those to start your journey of improving balance and decreasing tension. I'll link to a playlist above and in the description below where I'm adding these beginner videos, and you can work through those in any order. Having said that, let's try a simple exercise now which can get you started. Sit on a firm chair with your feet flat and your knees pointing straight ahead. Find your sitting bones by carefully moving forwards and backwards, side to side, until you become aware of the position where you can feel the bones of your pelvis in the best contact with the chair. Next, bring your palms up to your chest. Now quietly bring your attention to what you can feel in the whole of yourself. Notice your breath moving in and out. If any part of you feels tense or fixed, just think of it letting go. Try a small smile if you can, as this will also release a lot of tension. Think of releasing your weight down into the chair through the sitting bones and allowing your head and body to float up away from the chair. Keep that simple idea of your weight releasing downwards and your body releasing upwards and outwards. Explore some slow, small movements of the torso, forwards, backwards, left and right, also rotating left and right. Can you keep observing the whole of yourself while keeping the simple thoughts of releasing weight through the sitting bones and allowing the body to expand? If you feel your muscles grabbing and tightening, just stop, keep the awareness there and see if you're able to release again. This simple exercise is designed to practice paying full attention to ourselves and maintaining a clear direction in our thoughts whilst we're moving. As these skills develop, you will start to notice more habits of holding yourself out of balance and compressing yourself. You'll then have the chance to work on breaking the habits and discover better ways of sitting, standing and moving, which are more balanced and have more freedom. You don't need to become some sort of Alexander Technique Jedi, and you certainly don't need to give up having a good old slump on the sofa when you want to. The idea is that by increasing awareness and ability to make changes, you're giving yourself more choice in how you do things. You may find that by making fairly small improvements to your balance and tension, you get to the point where your back pain improves. Whether you then choose to carry on developing these skills after that is totally up to you. Many people with lower back pain and sciatic pain are told to do stretches, such as laying on their back and pulling a knee up to their chest. The idea is that this can help to stretch out the muscles that are being shortened, which can help to relieve pain. How the Alexander Technique can help here is by adding some Alexander Technique awareness and thinking skills to the exercise. Start by laying in semi-supine. If you're unsure how to do this, please pause the video now and check out the video that I'm linking to above now and in the description. Your head is supported by the books and the pressure on your lower back is lessened by having your legs bent. Before you attempt to stretch, stop and pay attention to yourself. Check that you're releasing your weight into the ground through the back of the head, shoulders, elbows, hips and feet. Have the simple idea of allowing the body to lengthen and widen, but breathing to be free and that you're not getting ready to do anything. When you feel that your awareness is taking in the whole of yourself and you are allowing the ground to fully support you, let one of your knees release upwards till the foot comes off the ground. Resist the urge to grab at the knee with the hands and instead allow the hands to slowly go to the knee, checking that you aren't tensing up anywhere or losing your general awareness of your whole self. You can then carry out the stretch, keeping these simple thoughts and awareness going. In this way, the stretch can effectively target the area that it's intended to without causing more tension in other parts of the body. Contrast this with me demonstrating how most people will tend to do this stretch. Hopefully, it's not difficult to see how using the Alexander Technique can bring more benefit and reduce the risk of damaging yourself further. Of course, the same principles can be applied to any other type of stretch that you may have been given to do. I hope these ideas all make sense to you. If you have any comments or questions, please drop me a line below. I found that the Alexander Technique gave me a way of tackling my back problems where I was in control rather than relying on treatments and specialists. If this approach also appeals to you, subscribe to the channel, check out the videos I've uploaded so far. I really hope that they help you on your journey back to full health. If you found this useful, hit the thumbs up to let me know, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.